Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can insert a calendar in your text documents using the Goodnotes application. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your text document on Goodnotes, scroll down and click into the paragraph line where you'd like to place the calendar. And after that enter the command / and then date. And here you go, you will see the suggestion here. And that is going to add this calendar. If you click into it, or any of your co-editors that have been given access to a text document, you or them will be given access to this calendar so that you may, for instance, browse through these months here, weeks, days. Let me select May 10th, Sunday next week, or any other day, and the date will be automatically changed here in that entry. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.